Onto European movers, and we start in France and Holland, I suppose, with Air France KLM. That's ticker AF in Paris. Reported Q2 numbers this morning, posted a loss of 79 million euros versus a loss of 11 million in the same period in 2014. However, revenues did grow by 3%, so I suppose that's something encouraging in there.
The oil price fell by 50%.
Well, it did, and but the shares are actually up, trading around €6.81 today, up 3.3%. Not really anything to do with the numbers per se, perhaps the revenue figures contributing slightly. But I think the most important thing the market's taken to heart is the idea of additional cost cutting. It's going to try and find 1.8 billion euros in savings, and it says it's going to speed up the process to find those. So scaling back, I suspect, and trying to make itself more efficient. Whether it's possible for an international carrier to do that remains to be seen. And then crossing over the border into Germany, specialty chemicals company BASF, that's BAS in Germany, €80.13, down 3.31%. A slight rise in Q2 profits. I think they're about 100 million euros ahead of the same period last year, but lower growth in terms of improvements in revenues. The company maintained guidance for the full year, but as you mentioned, this is against a background of a 50% fall in oil prices and euro weakness. And one of Germany's largest export companies, you've got to think that they should have been doing a lot, especially one with with raw materials that are petrochemical based. You've got to think they should have been doing a lot better.
You would hope that that's not a barometer of that's just actually something an issue which is company specific.
Well, yes, but that's I'm sure what people will be watching for to see if other leading exporters that are oil price dependent can do better. So we'll watch that space.
Let's see how that goes.